Now, expansion is when price moves quickly from a level of equilibrium. Now, expansion couples directly with the tool of an order block. When price leaves a level quickly, this indicates a willingness on the part of the market makers to reveal their intended repricing model. Now, what does that mean? Well, if we're in a consolidation, okay, or a point of equilibrium, if price were to move up quickly, that would give us an indication of looking for a bullish order block. We don't want to chase price. We're going to wait for price to come back down into the order block. The order block that the market makers leave near or at the equilibrium price point. As you can see here, there's a consolidation in the blue shaded area, very clear defined consolidation. It's got a clear discernible high and low, and the equilibrium price point is directly in the middle of the high and the low end of that range. You can simply take the Fibonacci tool that you have in all your platforms, lay the fib from the high and the low in the general consolidation, find that midpoint, and you can check yourself also by looking at how many times the market touches up against it from below and from above it going down into, in other words, how many times it's touching and hanging around that level. Eventually the market will move outside of the consolidation. You can see that impulse move in that tan shaded box. It moves away from the equilibrium price point, and then all we have to do is go back to the down candle right before that up move. That down candle or black candle I'm drawing a small little segment off of, that's the bullish order block. When the price comes back down into that and hits it, that's where we would be buying. And then obviously you can see it hits that level and expands to the upside. It repeats itself all the time. It's in price action all the time. And if you study just to the left of the consolidation we have shaded in blue, there's actually a consolidation in the sell side where the market broke down and came right back to the equilibrium price point again and then sold off.